Okay, we are doing lesson 30, worksheet 32, and this one is a video lesson. Ziqi, do you know that there is a video lesson to watch before you do the questions? Are you aware of that?
I'm aware.
Okay, good. So, because I also saw your homework over the portal here. Okay, so Ziqi, the thing is, you attempted, you know,
Miss
few
Susan, I
time.
think there's something wrong with the system because my answer are right and they mark me wrong.
No, not the probably because it's partial of it, is it?
Yeah, I answer all and they show that I now finish.
Oh, okay, something wrong with it. Can. At least so that's why you cannot end, right? Just now earlier on. You just key in and that mean enter into the system. I saw that yesterday you did attempted few. Okay, system. I can feed that to the center. Lah. No worries for that. See, system cannot capture. Okay. Okay, so but you have your printed worksheet or paper, right? In form of paper, you're working. So I will still go through, then you can get to see your working, does it match with mine? If not, then you do corrections together, okay? Okay. Then today we are learning how to interpret graph like pictogram, bar graph, and pie chart. Now, pie chart and bar graph, you all learned it in primary school before. Pictogram is very similar to bar graph, except that they don't have space in between the bar. They are all congested and clustered. Lah. Okay. Now, the pictogram shows the number of cars passing through a particular gantry along the expressway on the weekdays in the first week of April 2015. So this one shows some representatives. We call this a legend. Each car will represent 5,000. So from here, you will be able to identify them. No? So if that's the case, we can identify them as 10,000, 20,000, and half car will be 2,005. Okay. So this is 2,005 here. This is 2,005. Okay. One car will be 5,000. So let's take a look at Monday. 10, 20, 25 plus 2. So this one will be 27,500. Then for Tuesday, it will be 10, 20, 25. Sorry, 10, 20, 22,500. Okay, so what did the question ask for part A is the number of cars passing through it on a Monday, which I have it here as 27,500. How about Tuesday, which I tabulated here as 22,500. Okay. 22,500. Find the ratio of the cars passing through the gantry on Wednesday to the cars passing through the gantry on the Friday. So this asking for Wednesday and Friday. So meaning to say we still have to do like 10,000, 20,000, 25, 25, 27. Okay, 27 here. Yeah. Then Thursday is 10, 15, 17. Then 20, 25 plus 5. Say 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, sorry. Is it? Let me check. 10, 10, 20, 25, 27. 10, 20, 25, 27. This one is 30. Okay. So he wants the ratio, then that will be 6:7. So in case if you want to do a simple method for this, then you will have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 units here, also can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In fact, that one is a better ways of doing it. Okay, so this one will be 6:7 here. Next question, part C. Express the number of cars passing through the gantry on a Tuesday. Now he's asking Tuesday, but now as a percentage of the cars passing through the gantry that is on the Friday. Represent your answer to 3 significant figures. So you want it a Tuesday as an expression of a Friday. So let's go and take a look at the, what do you call it? Tuesday. What do we have on Tuesday? Just now earlier on, Tuesday we have a 22500, right? 22500 over the Friday. And times 100%. So you should get this as 64 point. You want 3 significant figures, so you have to do up to 5 and 285. 1, 2, 3. 64.3. Significant figure will be 3 SF. Okay. From the diagram, you'll be able to tell for part D, okay, which one is passing through the lowest. So from here, if you look at this one, the lowest is the Thursday. Smallest value. Lowest value lah, okay. 17,500. Next question. What was the number of cars passing through on this Thursday? You will have 15,000 plus 2,005. That one is 17,500. Okay, so this one is the easier one among the all questions there. All right. So this is the answer. Okay. Question 2. The bar graph shows the number of students in the class showing their favorite sports. You are supposed to find the total number of students in the class. Okay, so the total number of the students, what you need to do is to have all the data first. Okay, so let's check this one, the data from here to here is 2. So each unit will be 1. So this one will be 6. Basketball for 6. Then this one will be 13 for soccer, 7 for badminton, 4 for tennis, and 11 for netball. So in order to find them, you have to plus the total together, 20, 30, 42, is it? Let me check. 6 plus 13, 7, 4, 11, 20, 30, 40. Wait, there is some 7, sorry, this one is 7, not 6. Yeah, I forgot to write 7. Okay, so it's 7, 20, 30, 41, 42. That's the total. Find the fraction of number the students whose favorite sport is badminton. Let's take a look at badminton. So favorite sports is 7 and out of 42. So 742 is 1 over 6 for the fraction. Okay. For the third question, what they want you to find the percentage of the students whose favorite sports is neither soccer nor tennis. So I need to search for soccer and tennis to pay attention to soccer Tennis. So 13 plus 4. Let's take a look. You have 13, you have 4. Soccer is 13, tennis 4. So here will be 17. So neither means you have used 42 minus 17. You get 25 out of 42 is the percentage of this will be 42. Total is 42. Multiply 100%. Okay. And you will get down to 59 and 11 out of 12. Okay. If let's say this is a fractional, then it's 59, 11 out of 21. But if let's say it's a decimal to 3SF, it will be at 59.5%. Okay. Next question. He's asking you calculate the angle in pie chart. So now he's asking for angles instead, right? So for angles instead, what he wants to represent the basketball. So you know that the angle in the pie chart is 360 degrees, and we need to convert the basketball. So I need to check what is my basketball here actually is 7, basketball. So if basketball 7, and then out of the total students will be 42. Now, you know that the whole thing is 360. So I multiply this 60 degrees, because this is 660. Okay. That's for question number 2. Okay. All right. Just to check here. Okay, thank you, Wesley. Anyone else? Okay, let me check. Elda, yeah. How long is not here today? So Elda is here. Kirina. Rachel is also here already. Wesley. Ziqi, Yinxi. Okay. All right. Ziqi, is everything okay? Do you manage to spot anything?
Yeah, okay.
Fine, okay. Good. So not all responded, so that's why I'm checking, Okay. All right. So next question. Okay, here. The visitors to the zoo were asked to vote for their favorite animal, and they show them in the result in a given pie chart. And you notice that they are all given in terms of angles, right? Pie chart, they are all good. Now, not only angles, they can come in degrees. Angles are degrees in angles, correct? They can also come in fractional. It can also come in decimal, or even using percentage. Okay, possible, it's just a representative. So the visitor will ask to vote, and then they have all this here. Always fill up whatever you know there. Okay, and they wanted the value of A. So for value of A, you need to use 360 to minus away 90, 135, and 15. Okay, so you should get down to, I think, 120. Let me double check. Okay, 90, 135, then you have this, yeah, 120 degrees in terms of angle. And the percentage of the visitors who voted for polar bear, here, 135.